Buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Follow these simple steps. Install Trust Wallet. Download and install the Trust Wallet app from the Google Play Store or App Store, then open the app. Create or access your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. If you already have a wallet, simply open it and enter your PIN or biometrics to access it. Tap Buy. On the main screen of Trust Wallet, tap on the Buy button. You will see a list of supported cryptocurrencies for purchase. Search for BNB. Search for BNB in the list of assets and select it. Choose payment method. Trust Wallet integrates with third-party payment providers like MoonPay, Simplex or Ramp to allow you to purchase BNB using your debit or credit card or bank transfer. Select your preferred payment method. Enter amount. Choose the amount of BNB you wish to buy and confirm the payment details. Complete the purchase. After entering your payment details and confirming your purchase, follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Once approved, the BNB will be credited to your Trust Wallet. Verify your balance. Go back to the main wallet screen and you will see your newly purchased BNB in the wallet.